Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to prove that cotA minus cosA divided by cotA plus cosA equal to cosecA minus 1 divided by cosecA plus 1. So here let's take the LHS, that is stand for left hand side. So writing here cotA minus cosA. Now hereafter cotA plus cosA. Now we need to do that. We need to convert this cot into cos or sine form. So we already know the formula called cot A equal to cos A by sine A. So we can write here cos A by sine A. Now minus cos A, hereafter cot A, cos A by sine A. Now here this is the cos A. So write here cos A. Now hereafter we can write 1. So take the sine and 1 LCM. The LCM come sine A. And sine A divided with sine A, 1 come 1 multiply with cos A. So here we can write cos A. Now 1 going to divide with sine A. Sine A comes sine A multiply with cos A. So write here cos A and sine A. Now hereafter we can write here sine A. So sine divided with sine. So there I did mistake, cot A equal to cos A by sine A. Now here sine divided with sine, 1 come 1 multiply with cos. So here only cos A come. 1 going to divide with sine A come sine A multiply with cos A. So here we can write cos A sine A. Now next is this will cancel, and here we can write cos A minus cos A sine A, and down we can write cos A sine A. Now this place cos is the common, so going to take the common cos A, and here 1 minus sine A come, and here cos A again the common, so here 1 and this place left sine A. Now this cos that gonna cancel. Hereafter 1 minus sine A divided by 1 plus sine A. Now here our intention is to make that cosec form, so we can write here 1 for sine, we can write 1 by cosec A, and for this one 1 by cosec A. So 1 cosec A, the LCM come cosec A, 1 going to divide with cosec A come cosec A multiply with 1. So here we can write cosec A. Cosec A divide, then 1 come 1 multiply with this. So this will come 1. Now hereafter we can write and down cosec A. So 1 going to divide with cosec A come cosec A multiply with 1. So here we can write cosec, and plus cosec divide, 1 come 1 multiply with 1. So it comes 1. This cosec that will cancel. Finally I got here cosec A minus 1 cosec A plus 1. So this is the intention to get that. Finally I got. Okay, so here we can write LHS equal to RHS. It's proved. So this is the way we can solve this kind of question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.